Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting and very simple topic, that is hormones in animals. Students, let us first talk about hormones. Now, what exactly is meant by the word hormone? Hormone is basically a chemical substance which is secreted by an endocrine gland. These substances are usually poured directly into the bloodstream for action at its target cell. Yes, students, remember that hormones are very target specific. For example, insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas, and insulin will only do one job, that is, it will reduce the amount of glucose in our blood. It will not do anything else because it is highly specific and it is highly target specific. Moving on, students, now let us take an example. The very first gland is the pituitary gland. Students, don't be fooled by the size of this gland. This gland is around about the size of a pea. It is present in our brain. But remember that the pituitary gland is the master of all the glands in our body. It controls and regulates the functioning and working of each and every gland in the human body. Let us take some example of hormones secreted by the pituitary gland. It secretes something known as the growth hormone. Students, the growth hormone stimulates the development of nearly all the tissues of our body. Now, if this hormone is not secreted in the desired amount, it may lead to certain disorders. For example, if there is deficiency of growth hormone since childhood, it will lead to dwarfism. Whereas, if there is oversecretion or hypersecretion of growth hormone since childhood, it will lead to gigantism.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.